In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best mountain bike pedals that deliver better grip, control, and performance on every trail. Whether you're hitting technical single track or cruising weekend rides, I've got you covered. Make sure you watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your setup. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great tips and product reviews. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. MZYRH Mountain Bike Pedal. The MZYRH mountain bike pedal is a solid choice worth talking about. First, let's break down the build. These pedals are made from durable aluminum alloy, which means they're lightweight but still tough enough to handle aggressive trail riding. The CNC machine body gives them a clean, premium look, and the wide platform design provides excellent foot support. You also get multiple anti-skid pins on each side, giving you serious grip even in wet or muddy conditions. The sealed bearing system helps keep out dust and water, improving long-term durability and smoother rotation over time. Now, let's be real. While these pedals are strong and reliable, they're flat pedals, so if you prefer clipless systems for competitive riding, these may not be your first choice. But for most riders, especially beginners and intermediate mountain bikers, they're a fantastic upgrade. Installation is beginner-friendly. All you need is a standard pedal wrench or Allen key. Just make sure you match the left and right pedals correctly, tighten them securely, and you're ready to ride in minutes. Overall, the MZYRH mountain bike pedal delivers durability, grip, and stability in a clean, trail-ready design. If you want better control and more confidence on every ride, this is a smart upgrade. See the description for more details. Number 2. FOOKER Mountain Bike Pedal. The FOOKER mountain bike pedals have become a popular choice among riders across the US, and for good reason. Let's start with the build quality. These pedals are made from durable nylon fiber with a high-strength chromoly steel spindle, giving you a solid, lightweight platform that can handle rough trails and daily rides. The wide platform design provides excellent foot support, while the anti-slip metal pins add serious grip even in muddy or wet conditions. They also feature sealed bearings, which help protect against dust and water, improving long-term durability and smooth rotation. Why are they good? First, they're lightweight but tough. Second, the grip is impressive for aggressive trail riding. Installation is simple, and they're compatible with most standard 9/16" crank threads. On the downside, like most flat pedals with metal pins, they can be a bit aggressive on soft-soled shoes, and beginners should be mindful of shin contact. These pedals are ideal for beginner to intermediate mountain bikers, trail riders, commuters, and even BMX riders who want stability and control without switching to clipless systems. Setup is easy. Just identify the left and right pedal markings, apply a little grease to the threads, and tighten them clockwise on the right crank and counterclockwise on the left using a pedal wrench or Allen key. Make sure they're snug, but don't over-tighten. Overall, my analysis? The FOOKER mountain bike pedals offer dependable grip, solid construction, and rider confidence on technical terrain. If you want better control and a stable platform for your next ride, these are absolutely worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 3. ROCKBROS Mountain Bike Pedal. The ROCKBROS mountain bike pedal is a serious contender for both beginners and experienced riders. Let's start with the build quality. These pedals are typically made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, which means they're lightweight but extremely strong. The body feels solid in hand, and the sealed bearing system helps keep out dust, mud, and water, perfect for trail riding. The wide platform design gives your foot more surface contact, while the anti-slip steel pins provide excellent grip, even in wet conditions. They're durable enough for aggressive off-road use but still light enough to keep your bike feeling responsive. Why is it good? The biggest advantage is stability and control. When you're riding rocky trails or technical single track, you want your feet locked in, and these pedals deliver that confidence. Installation is straightforward, and maintenance is minimal thanks to the sealed bearings. Now, the downside? If you ride with very soft-soled shoes, the metal pins can feel a bit aggressive. And like most performance pedals, they're built for function over flashy looks. Who is it suitable for? These are great for mountain bikers, trail riders, commuters, and even gravel riders who want better grip and durability. Setup is simple. Just identify the left and right pedals, they're clearly marked. Use a pedal wrench or Allen key to tighten them onto your crank arms. Make sure they're secure, but don't over-tighten. That's it, you're ready to ride. Overall, I think the ROCKBROS mountain bike pedal offers strong performance, excellent grip, and long-term durability. If you want more control and confidence on the trail, this is a smart upgrade. See the description for more details. Number 4. GPMTER Mountain Bike Pedal. The GPMTER mountain bike pedal is a solid choice for trail riders and daily cyclists alike. These pedals are built from lightweight aluminum alloy, giving you a strong yet durable platform without adding unnecessary weight to your bike. The CNC machine body feels premium, and the sealed bearing system keeps dirt and water out, which is perfect for muddy trails and wet conditions. The wide platform design, combined with anti-skid pins, provides excellent grip and stability, even during aggressive rides. Why is it good? You get great traction, smooth rotation, and long-lasting durability. Why might it not be for everyone? If you prefer clipless pedals for competitive racing, this flat-style pedal may not be your first choice. It's ideal for mountain bikers, commuters, beginners, and anyone who wants better foot control on rough terrain. Installation is simple. Use a pedal wrench, match the left and right markings, tighten securely, and you're ready to ride. No complicated setup required. Overall, the GPMTER mountain bike pedal offers dependable performance and confidence on the trail. If you want better grip and control on your next ride, this one's worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 5. BV Mountain Bike Pedal. The BV mountain bike pedal is a solid upgrade for riders who want better grip and long-lasting performance on the trail. Built with a durable aluminum body and a strong CRMO steel spindle, these pedals are designed to handle rough terrain without flexing or wearing down quickly. The wide platform gives your shoes more surface contact, while the anti-skid pins provide excellent traction even in wet or muddy conditions. Despite the tough build, they're lightweight enough to keep your ride smooth and responsive. Why is it good? You get strong grip, reliable durability, and smooth rotation thanks to sealed bearings. Why might it not be for everyone? If you prefer clipless pedals for competitive riding, this flat platform style may not be your first choice. These pedals are perfect for beginner to intermediate mountain bikers, trail riders, and even commuters who want stability and control. Installation is simple. Just identify the left and right pedal, thread them into your crank arms by hand first, then tighten with a pedal wrench. That's it, ready to ride. Overall, the BV mountain bike pedal delivers dependable performance and confidence on the trail. See the description for more details. Level up your videos, like and subscribe.